when we play an accent on cello, it's something that can be made 3 ways, but we will speak about the 2. The first way is more pressure on the bow. And then the second accent could be played with more length of bow. So by virtue of the bow being more, and I'm just using more, it's going to come out. It will be louder the note. You have to be careful with the bow length accent because that's more of a martelet, and that is a fast, forceful bow stroke that transfers from different parts of the bow. And if you need to stay in the same area, it is better to pull in more because you can stay short. So especially when you have a series of different notes in this part, this is the last lesson of the happy farmer we're having. And in its totality, that's what it looks like on the score. This is what it looks like with the fingerings, but pay more attention to the bow. This is with the pressure accent. You don't really see much. This is with the length accent. More of a martelet. See, I am over here. So you want to control the type of accent. The third accent I mentioned is a vibrato accent. And that is something you learn later on live, but that's when you want to keep things quiet. With this part, we want to be able to apply pressure where those 2 little pink dots are. They must be more obvious, like I drew before. Bum bee dun da dun ding dun 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 da. Think about like a heart. Dee 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 dee. Like this thing. You must think about that. Those points are here. These are your accents. So consider playing those 4 spots in this score, here and here, with more energy. And I think you will be more happy with your performance because it's going to have more dynamism.